Assalamualaikum and hi, I will present my task for the contractual law and contract, which is for the tutorial 1. Okay, now let's begin with the question 1. The question 1 is, what is the difference between a variation and a change? Actually, a variation and a change is a bit same but have a little differences. Variation is any type of deviation from an agreed upon well-defined scope and schedule of works, while change is the formal document that is used to modify the agreed contractual agreement. For the variation, it need to be in writing and more focused to work to be done or work to be changed in such time, and in a term of completed change. For change, it becomes part of the project documents and more focused to format document, and in a term of completed change. Change is when a variant replaces the other variants. Change put an end to variation. Let's take a look for the clause 24.2 in PWD 203A version 1 2010. It says that the alteration or modification of the design, quality or quantity of the work, including the addition, omission or substitution of any work, the alteration of the kind or standard of any of the material or goods to be used in the works, and the removal from the site of any work executed of or material or goods that are not in accordance with the contract. The cases related is Charles Lim Tang Xiang vs. Hong Chun Hao, 2021. Provided valuable insight on the legal effect of a no oral modification clause which prohibits variation, supplement, deletion or replacement of an agreement or any of its parts unless made in writing and signed by both parties. It means that any variation that need to be changed should be in writing and signed by both parties. Oral modification is not accepted at all. Okay, now is the question 9. Question 9 is, what do you mean by quantum merit? When is this used in variation? Quantum merit is referred to what the job is worth. Equity, in the form of quantum merit, will step in so that a contractor can demand a fair and reasonable sum for work completed and material supplied. Where an owner has benefited from the contractor in unfair conditions, or to put in another way, has been unjustly enriched in breach of contract, the grieving party can ask for an amount that equivalent to the work they have done throughout the contract period. Quantum merit is used in variation when work has been performed on the basis that a contract will be agreed but where no contract is entered into. Means that both the work have done by the contractor and agreed by both parties, but clients say there is no contract made between them. Then the contractor can claim quantum merit for the part of work done. Another one is when a contractor performs work outside the scope of a contract at the owner's request and where the work is not captured by the contractual right to order variation. Contractor can claim for his part of work done because it is from client request to do and the client should pay for the contractor. The case related is CERT Controls Ltd vs. Drake and Skoll Engineering Ltd, 2000. The claimant carried out design and installation work for the defendant as part of the construction of a replacement research and development facility for British Nuclear Fuels Ltd. The control system design and installation by CERT work was a part of the mechanical and electrical main package. This package, which is electrical works, was awarded by Drake and Skoll Engineering Ltd, which means CERT Controls Ltd is the appointed subcontractor under Drake and Skoll Engineering Ltd. The main contract was initially issued by Wimpey Construction Limited, but later they were replaced by Tarmac Construction Limited, so there are no formal agreement formulated between any of these parties. Drake and Skull argue that words carried out by Cirque Control should evaluate referring to the value of work done by Drake and Skull, and Cirque was claimed that they were entitled to a quantum merit claim. The basis of the quantum trial was that the claimant was entitled to be paid on a quantum merit basis, there having been no concluded contract between the parties. That's all from me. Thank you.